to go
Thank
back
God
up the
our
stairs.
Luna ulted, I guess.
We were fine. You already killed 2 when I died.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Fucking quitting the game. It's me. We lose every game because I'm fucking shit.
This is true, dude. It's all your fault.
I know.
It's my time to shine.
I'm done sugarcoating it, bro. It's all. What is brother doing?
It's like, hey, what is up, my guy?
I could ult.
We're in the.
See them? Right there. My time to shine. A nice deep freeze.
Lost his contacts, but he just ran up and they're like, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh.
Stop that minute. Maybe I shouldn't just stand still right there. Oh,
What the
but they
hell?
don't
They're
go.
playing double dive
I was
now?
worried.
No more Weedo.
KBB. Molest.
I have a fancy.
The fuck? I was behind him.
Only 60 seconds left.
What the hell? Add me for
Don't give
tickle.
them another inch.
Add me for
Or else.
tickle.
The light always comes. My time to shine. Us against the world.
Bro. I have my ult. He just fucking spawn trapped me. How did he know I was going on that side?
How smart of him, dude. Damn.
Yeah, because if he didn't. Someone needs to go
The current
first.
score is.
Unfortunate. We also died with Iron Fist ult.
Got fucking
Time
spawn
to
trapped.
switch things up, including which side you're on. We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.